So if you want to install any kind of software on your PC without needing to browse for it, without needing to look for it on the internet, I'm going to just give you simple command, and this command is very powerful. All right, so the first thing you need to do is just to go to your search bar here and type in CMD and click on enter. So once you open this CMD command, this should pop up straight away like this. All right, so all you have to do is to make sure that you confirm that you have the package manager, Windows package manager, which is called Winget. All right, Winget, something like this. You can see this. So you need to confirm if you have it. So you have a space and hyphen version. Now you click on enter. This should show you the version of your Winget in your computing machine. In the case you may not have these, maybe for example, you don't have Winget installed on your computing machine, you find out that you may receive error. Maybe the system may say there is no Winget found. All right, you can see a different kind of information or message printed on your computer. Maybe you may see something like Winget is not recognized as an internal or external command. So in this case, you don't have Winget installed. So what you need to do, there are methods to fix this. Okay, but I'm not going to show you this method in this video because I don't want this video to be very long. You may need to watch my next video. So if you want to see those methods to fix problems connecting to Winget, for example, maybe how to install another version of Winget from Microsoft or manually on your computing machine, it is very simple. I will show you in the next video. Or for example, how to download the latest version using also simple command without needing to go to the internet again, or to how to update your Windows component. I'm going to show you everything in the next video. Okay, but in this video, all I want to show you is how to install any software on your computing machine with this simple Winget commands from your CMD or command prompt. That's the first thing you need to do. And the second thing is to make sure that you have an internet connection because you are going to download and install software. Make sure you know the package name exactly you want to install. All right. Otherwise, you're gonna run into an issue because you don't know the package or the name of the application you wanna install. So in my case, I want to install Firefox. So I want to run this command Winget, okay, space install space. Then I will name the name of the application, which is Mozilla. Sorry, Mozilla dot Firefox. So make sure you look at the name. You can see in Mozilla I use capital letter M, and in Firefox the extension is F capital letter. So it is Mozilla.Firefox. So I'm going to hit enter to download and install this software on my computer machine. All right, you may find some errors, okay, like this. An unexpected error occurred while executing the command. The server certificate does not match any of the expected values. Or you can see the following packages were found among the working sources. Please specify one of them using the hyphen source option to proceed. You can see the name of the application that was found, Mozilla Firefox English -US, and the ID is Mozilla.Firefox, and the source is Winget. So what should I do? Let me just copy this extension here, of which I'm coming back to explain it to you in a step-by-step tutorial as we continue the video. Now I am going to name this again. I'm going to call this again. So I want to run the command again, Winget space install space, then the name of the application, which is Mozilla dot Firefox. All right. Then I will paste this, or I have to uh, give space first. So space, then I will control V to paste it. Then I will run. I will now click on enter. This should download and install Firefox on my computer machine without any error, without any problem. As you can see, it is downloading. Can you see that? Now, this command is processing and downloading this application from download-installer.cdn.mozilla.net from the internet. So this is the easiest way you can download and install software, any software on your computer machine from the original source without needing to go to the browsers searching on the internet where you can get come across a lot of ads on the the host website as people who already package it and keep it on their website for you to download. You can get interacted with so many a lot of disturbing ads. You can see it is downloading, and it will take some few minutes. You can see the size of the application is 84.2 MB. So I don't want to download it. I'll just stop the download, but I will show you why you get these errors, how to fix the errors in case your computer has problem. But initially, you need to just use the simple command that I used before, which is Winget install Mozilla.Firefox. If your computer has the Winget functionally working without any problem and upgraded, then it should work. But if you have any kind of this error, okay, you can fix those errors. All right, thank you for watching my video. If you get some value, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you get notified.